Hello, our project includes a program Aquarium and lots of chess engines, stockfish. This is the main page of our website, a block diagram of our supercomputer, our price, news. It is review of the grandmasters and other strong players and ICCF players of our project. This is a page with information about renting a chess engine for infinity analysis. Today I'll show you a powerful chess engine. We have a YouTube channel and Facebook page. All links are in the description of this video. I connected to our supercomputer via Suprema program. Aquarium 2016 program is very stable, well cope with a large number of engines. So, you see the top engines. Today we run 80 engines. The interface has not changed compared to the Aquarium in 2015. Click the tab Idea. Now not disappear, stage status and everything working is stable. So we have a position and we want to work with her. You can work in two ways, with infinity analysis or using the idea. To use infinity analysis, you must send the party to the sandbox. Click this button and the party we have in sandbox. We run our powerful engine. I select the engine. I start analysis. We see a very good speed. The engine runs on a dual Xeon E5 2670, 16 cores, 32 threads. In the start position, on the engine speed stockfish about 24,000 kilonewtons per second. With a large number of positions in the tree of idea, we have a more accurate estimate of the position than infinity analysis. Stop the engine. Speed is now more than 27,000 kilonewtons per second. You can rent the powerful engine for a small fee. Go to the Idea tab, unload inactive engines, run 80 engines, but 80 did not immediately join in the work, because now the number of tasks 68, so first 68 engines join in the work. Start the idea. Each engine is a single core of CPU or a single thread. Each engine has a good speed, about 1000 kilonewtons per second. Accordingly, a total of 80 engines give more 80,000 kilonewtons per second. The program Aquarium 2016 perfectly solved the problem of parallelization analysis. No other program cannot do that. Stage of work. While the program works, I will talk about the new features Aquarium 2016. For example, we want to make some moves as good or bad. Mark it and it automatically appears in the notation, highlighted by the color. Good move, it's green. Bad move, this is a red color. What do those color marks for ideas tree? They mean that the move made in green idea will analysis, but the idea highlighted in red will not analysis. Minimax is performing much faster than in the Aquarium 2015. The computer for work remotely on which we have installed an Aquarium is not powerful, but his power is enough for the Aquarium. During phases of Minimax and generating tasks we have a big load on the CPU. The load depends on the number of connected to the Aquarium engines. The more engines connected to the Aquarium, the greater the load on the CPU. Stages Minimax and generate tasks the most load the Aquarium 2016 and are the longest of time while working with the idea. At this moment we are recommendation not to do nothing and just wait. At other times you can work properly, navigate the notation on the tabs, etc. Step generating tasks over, and now all 80 engines have started to work. Aquarium generated about 1500 new tasks and started run them. The load is reduced by the CPU. We believe the minimum requirements for Aquarium 2016 is a dual-core computer, 4 GB of RAM, and it is desirable to have a SSD drive. Operating engines very stable. If you have a good fast internet connection and you are correct using the Aquarium, then there will be no problems. We recommend no more than 3 projects for launch. With these 3 projects, the Aquarium 2016 works without any problems. It is necessary that these 3 projects was no more than 50 active routes, and then we shall easy works with a large number of engines. Now we have 80 engines and everything works well. Now we offer for rent 50 or 70 engines. Today is our maximum, but we are working to increase the number of engines to 100. Maybe it will be at the end of 2016 year or earlier. We assume that the Aquarium 2016 will cope well with 100 engines, but perhaps 100 engines, this is the limit. Another new feature of the Aquarium 2016 is option to custom task prolongation strategy. This is a very complex feature. In this video we will not talk about it in detail. This feature is more than relevant for those who have a limited number of engines, for example 4, 6, then this feature can greatly assist in the analysis. For our project, this function is not so relevant and important because we have so many engines, 50, 70 and so on. In the Aquarium 2016 everything works fine, but we recommend once a day to stop the aquarium, save your work, information to notation, the idea of a tree is saved automatically. Shut it down and then start up again and continue working. When I stop the aquarium, I will show you how to do it right. Trees do not break, as in Aquarium 2015. We see that a lot of tasks solved. This is our setup for this project. Now I'll show you how to stop the analysis. Push on this button to stop the idea. We recommend that you put the two upper checkboxes. The third checkbox, rise is not advised, can be a problem. So we put the two checkboxes. Click OK. Aquarium stop after fulfilled all their tasks and make Minimax. In Aquarium 2016 queries to the online 7-piece table-based server are processed much faster than in previous versions. We recommend that you buy Aquarium 2016 and we recommend the use of our project. All the information about our project can be found on our website in the English section. The analysis stopped. This is a correct stop analysis. If you want something to save, for example your trees, you need to stop the analysis and close the aquarium properly. Only after this can save trees, etc. We have a program to save the trees aquarium, to clean the aquarium from the trees, and to insert the trees in your aquarium. Now I'll show you how it works. This is not the final version of the program. I make backup of trees. I launch, created backup folder that contains all of our analysis. It can then be loaded into the aquarium, which is installed on another computer. Soon we will introduce you to the program and write the movie how to use them. Have you seen the work of 80 engines in the Aquarium 2016? Everything is stable. There are no fails. To use this series, you must have a good internet connection and program Aquarium 2016. You can use Aquarium 2016 and Aquarium 2015, but there we only provide 50 engines for the Aquarium 2015, because with 70 engines Aquarium 2015 cannot cope. The Aquarium 2016 easy work with a large number of engines. We are guarantee all of our work on the engines of 90–95%, but they often operate on 98–100%. For example, in this video work 100% of the engine, because we have a good internet connection. That's all. Thank you for your attention. See you later. Bye.